Where are we? Criteria for success number 6. But first, let's go over our class mottos.
You got eyes? Wear those safety glasses. Protect your eyes. Oh, where am I? Where am I? Safety first, safety always. Can you see the sign? Yes. Safety first, safety always. Get in the mindset of thinking about safety. Am I in a safe spot? Is it stable? Is it my area too cluttered to be tidy? And slow is pro. And the last one, which we just thought of a couple weeks ago, don't fret, fix. Let's be solution oriented together.
Brilliant! All right, number 6 is your clear sealer. Similar to paint, evenly applied, feather it out, and no drippy gloopies. Clear sealer, we are number 6. Clear sealer, evenly applied, feather it out, no drippy gloopies. Let's do this together. In your bundle, or available at the shop, you'll have 2 kinds of sealer. This first one here is by a brand called Minwax, and this is by a brand called Olympic. This, as you could tell, is milky white. It dries clear, and it is glossy and shiny. Olympic, it's got a more, kind of has a greener tint to it, and it dries, when it dries, it's virtually undetectable. It's really hard to tell that it's there. Let's see how it looks. This will be the Minwax, and this will be the Olympic. By virtue of sanding the wood down, you will have a better, more evenly applied, smoother coat of sealer. Now I'm doing this one over wood, but if you have enough sealer, you can seal over your paint to protect the paint from chipping and wearing away sooner. But either way, you could paint only, you could seal your wood only. In some assignments, I will tell you this is to be painted and or this is to be sealed. But you may not have bare wood when you submit the final photo of your project. So let's do the Minwax. Dip it, scrape it, tilt it, bring it to the project. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. Feathering it out. Feather it out to where the milky white goes away. See here how you could tell it's really white. Feather that out. Right here, no, yes. I have sanded the end cut for the application of the sealer. That goes right on there. Just the wood loves it. It loves going to that kind of wood. However, in the end cut, it's rougher looking. It's not going to be as awesome of a seal because it's so porous and absorbent. So here's the Minwax. On this, I'm going to show you what Minwax drippy looks like. I'm going to show you what it looks like here when it's not feathered out. So I'm going to keep it gloopy on purpose. Let's go to the Olympic, the greener tinted stuff. This is a lot runnier. It's almost like water. Dip, scrape it, tilt it, bring it to the project. I could tell that is penetrating the wood. It's soaking into the wood. Now we're going to do Olympic drippy right here to see what it looks like when it's not feathered out. Okay, let that dry for a few hours. Let's talk about the brush. Remember the agitate the brush technique. Oh yeah! Get in there, slam it against the bottom of the cup. Boop, 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 boop. Agitate, get that sealer out of there. Get it out of there. Then a cup of a little clear water. See it turn milky a bit. Give it a flick. Outside, not in the kitchen. And not in the kitchen. Keep it upright to dry. All right then, how's my hair? This next one is on the clear seal coat. Let's take a look at it. Maybe it didn't do anything. Boop. We got the milky white Minwax. This was feathered out. It's got a glossy shine to it. You could see, I think, the light reflecting on it. This is the Olympic kind. It's the more green colored liquid. It's runnier than the stuff. Depends on what you'll get in your toolkit. This dries with no gloss, so you could see the light catching this sometimes, but over here, it's virtually like regular wood. It just made it just a hair darker, but it does offer it water protection. This here is the Minwax I purposely applied drippy like, and I didn't feather it out. You can see it's got a thick rope. We call it a rope. Thick drip right there. Yucky, icky. And then here is the Olympic drippy. The Olympic drippy actually kind of laid down flat, but when you don't feather it out and you don't have it coat the whole wood, you can see the water line right there. It's cheaper. Goes on without a gloss, without a shine. Barely changes the color of the wood. And this is it applied drippy. Can't really tell. Not too bad. So, perhaps this will assist you in your sealer coat application process. Thanks, y'all. What? I got it. Okay.